Hey fantastic you, welcome back. And if you're new to the channel, welcome, glad to have you. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so we can be friends. Today we're painting and we're going to attempt to do a kissing split cup straight pour. I don't know why this pops into my head, but it did. So now I got to test to see what it's going to look like. So we're using both the 4 split cup and the 5 split cup down here. So color wise in our 4, we're going to have cadmium yellow light hue, cadmium orange hue, pyrrole red, and cadmium red deep hue. So I'll get those in there and then we'll go on to our next set of colors. Okay, first one is all filled up, so let's do our 5 cup one. We've got light blue permanent, brilliant blue, cerulean blue hue, cobalt blue hue, and thylocyanine blue. So I'll get all these ones in there. Just like that, we are back. Both of the split cups are filled up. We're going to be pouring on a 14-inch squared canvas. Let me grab my split cups here and some paper towels. Always forget something. So we got 9 colors, and there's about 60 grams of colors altogether mixed with the pouring medium. Pouring medium is 70% PVA glue, 30% water, and these are mixed about 1 part paint to 1.5 parts pouring medium, and all the paints are Liquitex. So let's find my center. I'm gonna say right about there. Okay, let's hope this works. Made my paints up yesterday. Not really kissing, but you get the gist of it. Just trying to stay centered. It is doing what I thought it would do, so I'm quite happy with that. I was hoping that there would be quadrants. There is going to be a bit more blue colors than the warm colors, the fire sun colors. Just trying to get all the paint out. It's hard to keep my hands from shaking. I think we're probably good. Got more than enough paint. Stop one at a time. There's one. This one moved on me. Come on. Just letting those drips go. Okay. There, the pouring part is done. I didn't do too bad, I don't think. Just gonna shift this a bit more centered. Ah, I'm loving all those colors. We're gonna give it a torch. There is one big bubble in the blue. That did not want to listen to the torch. There we go. Okay, are we ready? Let's make sure I'm still on my plate, cake spinner plate evenly. Looks like I am. Oh, all those colors of blue are so pretty. Give it some more spins. I did mess up a little bit on the blue, so when this one is done spinning, I might just try and fix that. It's kind of bothering me. So if something is bothering you, try and fix it. There we go. And there is something going on right here. Not sure what it is. I thought it was a bubble, but it didn't appear to want to pop. So hopefully that will get spun off. Very bright painting. I feel like we need another torching. Yeah, whatever is in there, maybe it's a blob of something. Where is my Jesus? I don't know if the camera is picking it up or not. No, that didn't do anything either. Let's torch again. That's better. And really, we've only got... I left my 4 main colors that were on the outside out, and I'm just going to help the corners along. This was a smart idea that I had. So there's one corner. That corner. And let's get that yellow corner done. Even though that orange is blending in with the yellow very nicely. Again, this is just more to wet it down to help the paint flow over the corners. Okay. Got one dry corner left. Oh, it's almost over that corner. All my other corners are good. So 1 or 2 more spins and I think we're good to go. Spin from, I can hold on to that corner. Hopefully that will get over. I think it did. This is looking really neat. As I said, I got what I figured was going to happen. I'd get the dark blue, light blue, red, and yellow, but a lot more rings showing up. Now the question is, what way is up? Is it that way? What do you think? It's like 2 storms hitting each other. It's really neat looking. I like it when experiments kind of do what you think in your head they're going to do. So very happy with this one. But thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch. I really appreciate it. And I appreciate you. Until next time.